Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix an error occurred in Roblox cannot continue, expected channel name when using channel use for empty value. So first thing here that you're going to do is check your internet connection. Because sometimes if you have unstable connection or having problem on internet provider, it will causing you some error on Roblox. So check your internet if it's running stable, or you can run a speed test to check if your internet is stable. Now, one of the reason here also is by getting too much cache files. So basically that you're going to do is delete the cache on your browser. So here, click on the three dots at the top right hand corner, and then we're going to click on this clear browsing data right from here, and you will go here on this page. So basically you just need to select all time and check all the backers here, and then click on this clear data button. And once you've done here, you can now reopen your Roblox. But if the problem persists, you can now go to the next step, which is make sure to have the latest version of Roblox. So to get the latest version, go to the Roblox and choose experience, and then click on play button. And here you will find an option where you can download the latest version of your Roblox. So basically here, just need to click download and install Roblox. Now, if the problem persists, you can now go to the next step, which is remove or delete unnecessary extensions. So to do that, click on the three dots at the top right hand corner, and then click on the extensions and go to manage extensions. So basically right here, you just need to choose unnecessary extensions here and just need to delete or remove to your browser. And also I'll recommend you to disable all your VPNs or proxy network. Now you can reopen your Roblox and check if the problem is resolved. Now if the problem is persists, you can now go to the next step, which is check the Roblox server status. So to do that, go to status.roblox.com. And here you'll find if the Roblox server has some problems, and we need to just wait until it fixed by the Roblox support. Now, if the problem persists, you follow all the instructions here, but the problem persists, the final method that you're going to do is to uninstall and then reinstall your Roblox application. So basically, you just need to go to settings and then go to apps. And from here, click on installed apps. And then we just need to wait for a few seconds here, and then click on the search box right there and type Roblox, and then click on the three dots right there at the far right. So click that one, then click on uninstall. Once you uninstall, you can now reinstall your Roblox by clicking on this play button right over here. So that's all. That's how you basically fix an error occurred on your Roblox. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.